Y'all, I was like, what is this? As far as packaging, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'll be showing you how I got this full face using Amazon makeup brushes and drugstore makeup products. You can't beat that. You just can't. Before I get into this video, I do want to talk about the brushes a little bit because yeah, I ordered the 18-piece Amazon brush set by BS It was one of the most popular brush sets on there, so I had to see what the hype was about. So I'm gonna put a screenshot on the screen about my purchase and which one I got so you can see. Now this set does come in two different numbers, so you can get like a 10-piece set or you can get an 18-piece set. I sound like I'm talking about chicken wings. I went ahead and got the 18-piece set just because I think it was a small price difference and I just wanted to go big or go home. I think my face came out pretty decent, but I mean, so this is the packaging that it came in. Y'all, I was like, what is this? As far as packaging, it was alright. But it came like this. Literally, y'all, look. Literally, y'all. When I got my box, it came just like this. It wasn't fully closed. It had the sticker. Luckily, all my brushes are wrapped, so I was like, okay, whatever. Maybe it just got messed up in the packaging, but yeah, it just came in this box. Nothing special. Not the best packaging, just because the box is really flimsy and you can't really read what's on here. So yeah, it says Kabuki makeup brush set, premium professional synthetic brushes, BS Small. So you get what you pay for. The brushes did come wrapped. I'm holding up the brushes that I didn't use, and here are the ones that I did use. I tried to use as many as I could. That's why like only 3 brushes were not used, because I really wanted to get a full shaboom. Welcome to the tutorial, guys. So I went ahead and did one eyebrow before because y'all know it's a struggle. Throughout the video, I'll be using drugstore products like my LA Girl concealer because this is an affordable look, guys. I promise y'all it's not expensive. But I'm using the angled flat brush that came in this set. And y'all, the little brushes in this set were really easy and fun and nice to work with because they weren't too soft or floppy on my face like I thought they would be. These brushes got the job done and did what I needed them to do. Like this flat rounded brush right here, I used it to blend out my concealer and it worked just as well as my other brushes did, so I really loved it. Now that my brows are done, we're moving on to the eyeball. I'm using the same brush to blend out concealer on my eye to prep it for my eyeshadow and primer. I do want to point out that these brushes did not have any names on the smaller brushes, so I'm going to try to describe them by the shape they are. Now I'm going in with this great powder from Black Radiance. It is a good option for a yellow powder if you're looking for one and you don't want to pay for the Sacha Buttercup powder. I love it. I also use one of these smaller eyeshadow brushes to blend out that. Now I'm using the NYX Milk Jumbo Pencil as an eyeshadow base. It helps the colors on your eyes pop out, y'all. And you'll see that when I put my eyeshadow on, y'all gonna be like, ooh, girl, yes. If I did not put this primer base on before I did my eyeshadow, y'all wouldn't have seen it. To achieve my eyeshadow look, I'm gonna be pulling colors from 2 different palettes, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and the BH Cosmetics 88 Matte palette. These palettes are very old, so they're not new and very affordable. So now I'm using one of the fluffier eyeshadow brushes that came in the set, and y'all look at that pigment, okay? These brushes allowed me to easily put the eyeshadows on. I am not an eyeshadow expert. I'm still learning and experimenting every day with different colors, so I promise y'all we're in this together. But what I do know is that if you want to get the best color out of your eyeshadows, all you have to do is pack it and not rub it. Because simply tapping and just packing onto the color that you have will add more color, add a more pigmented look instead of just rubbing it, because all you're doing is rubbing it away. So my tip of the day is not to rub it away and pack it instead if you want more red, okay? Yes, to the rhymes, Marion, yes. Also, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video, y'all, because I finished my review on the brushes and tell you my overall opinion of them and whether I would buy them again. And boom, this is the look for my eyes. So now I'm using this eyeliner. I did not include the name for this eyeliner only because I don't recommend it. Instead, I recommend using the E.L.F liquid eyeliner because it is cheaper and much more efficient, because I don't know where I got this one from, girl. And for mascara, I love this Essence Princess Lash Mascara. Y'all, I don't have any eyelashes anyways, but this mascara is so cute. So if you have lashes, get you some. Now I went in with this terrible liner again, and I know it looks bad, y'all. I know. But guess what? I just go right back in with the angled brush and my concealer, and I just carve out the liner that I want. And you make it sharp, edgy, make it nice, and bippity boppity boo. Now we're getting into my face. Of course, if you watch my other videos, you already know this primer is the primer of the year, of the century. The E.L.F Poreless Putty Primer is amazing for all skin types. So whether you have dry, oily combination, she's gonna hold you down, and she's gonna hold this foundation down. So I'm going in with my favorite foundation as well. I'm gonna switch it up, but you know. And now we have brushes with names on them, because the bigger brushes did come with names. So this one was the round face brush, and y'all, I really loved it because usually I go in with 2 layers of my foundation, and I never thought it could have been because my brush was soaking it up. This brush did not soak up any of the product on my face. It just simply lighted all over my entire face. Now, if you've never heard of this concealer, I don't know what rock you've been hiding under, but it's okay, now you know. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, one of the best, cheapest concealers on the market, and it's been there for a long while. This is like almost everybody's go-to concealer because it's just so cheap, so affordable, and it works very, very well. I use the color Fun. I also have like 5 other shades that I use depending on what type of look I'm going for. And it is very full coverage. It highlights your face very well, and it just gives you such a nice and even look, a nice even tone. Here's another great drugstore pickup. It is the Black Opal True Color setting powder, and it comes in like 3 to 5 different shades, so I think it is very nice to use as a setting powder. I use the color medium because I like the color. It just matches really nice and flows into my skin very well. So I usually use my beauty blender for this, but because I'm reviewing the Amazon brushes, I wanted to try to use all of the brushes for something. And that was the flat face stippling brush, but I would not recommend using that because of how big it was. But now I'm using the angled brush to do my contour with the Black Radiance pressed powder, and y'all, these brushes work really well because they really allow you to just keep all the product on your face. They don't take anything off. My contour has never hit that hard before, so whoa, I had to blend a little extra. Now I'm taking my favorite face powder, the Soft Focus Black Radiance powder. Very cheap, very affordable. And I just use it to just bring everything together. So now to contour my nose, I'm using another brush, which is like a flat eyeshadow brush almost. Like I said, the smaller brushes don't have names, so it was like a flat eyeshadow brush. Honestly, it got the job done. I made it work. Now for my highlight, I'm going in with the little highlighting brush that they included. Y'all, when I took the plastic cover off, the hairs are flying everywhere. I'm also using the Wet n Wild highlight. This highlight was a good $3 to $5. It took a while for it to show up, so I'm not sure if I would buy it again, but it was very nice if you wanted a little cheap alternative. Using that same highlighter, I'm taking this small precision eyeshadow brush and just going in the inner corners of my eye to give a little glow effect. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Now moving on to my lips, I'm using the Wet n Wild eyeliner to do my lip liner because it's $1. You can use it for an eyebrow pencil, lip liner, eyeliner, whatever you please. As you can see, it's so tiny because I've been using it and it used to be the same length as a pencil. So I have two different lip gloss options. If you don't like a lot of shine, I recommend this one. It is the Revlon Lustrous Lip Gloss Frost Queen, and it was only $5, and it gives you just a simple, small, and subtle glow. So if you don't like a lot of shine, this is for you. See? So adorable. Now, for my girls who like the glossy lips, I recommend this $1 hair store lip gloss. It's by IZME, New York. It has a wonderful shimmer and it's not sticky. To finish the look off, I use the Badescu setting spray in Rosewater, so it's good if you're wearing makeup. If you're not, it's good for your face, your skin, and it's just really nice, brings your face together. And now here's what we came up with, guys. I really love these brushes, so stay tuned to hear what I have to say. To finish this video out, girlies, dance break. I think the brushes look really nice. They feel really nice. They feel very comfortable. I usually use a beauty blender or Real Technique brushes or some brushes that I already have from Amazon set. I've never been the type of person to go and buy expensive brushes. So, ball on a budget, girl. Most of the brushes in this set were amazing. I loved the eyeshadow brushes the most because, y'all, like what? Some of the things I probably wouldn't trade what I already use. For instance, my beauty blender, I like to use that with the powders that I use on my face. So these brushes just not cutting it. So as far as like setting powder goes, I didn't really find a brush in this set that I really wanted to, you know, but I'm gonna try it again because I know it's just my first time. Also, all of the products that you see on my face were very affordable. I tried to keep it under 10. Some stuff may be 11, but it's cheap. I did that just to show you can do a full face and have like drugstore products, okay? Okay. Make sure you check out the description box for a more detailed list of everything I use, and make sure you go follow me on my social medias and you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my other videos. I have so much more planned and coming up, so please just stay tuned. Turn on those post notifications, sweetie. Also, if you want to check out this hair I have in my head, go and look at my video, my review on this hair, as well as my 21 ways to style it video, because this hair is holding up amazing. I love it so much. Bye, guys.